Hey ladies. Okay, so the lashes is what kind of set the company on the map, if you will, because you get a fake lash look without the glue and having to apply. I have never applied fake lashes before in my life. I've always had kind of puny lashes, so having this has been great because now I have lashes that look like lashes. It's actually a lot of fun. So I just wanted to show you, I've already done one eye, and I just wanted to show you the difference. Ooh la la. So I want to show you how easy it is to apply and put on. You can make them as big or as dramatic as you'd like by putting on extra coats. So we have two different tubes here. This one is called the transplanting gel, and these are the fibers. And you start with the transplanting gel. Now I'm going to try to do this by looking in this camera mirror here, so we'll see how well this turns out. A couple of tips for you when you open your mascara, and this is true whatever you're using. Instead of going in and out, that pushes air in and out, which is going to cause your mascara to dry up faster. You want to swirl it. So that's the best tool. And then what you want to do is you want to get at the base of your lashes and then wiggle up. So wiggle up is my technical term. And so don't be afraid to get them coated real well. I'm going to look in this mirror because it's a little bit easier for me to see. And if you're like me and you make mistakes, because I always do, it never fails, I always end up with extra mascara where I don't want it, just take your finger, okay? Just take your finger, see my little mistake there, and wipe it away. And then what I'll do is I'll go back through with my brush that probably still has a little bit of the foundation, eyeshadow, that's the word I'm looking for, and I'll just touch it back up when I'm all done. So again, don't be afraid to get those coated really well. You actually don't want to spend a lot of time in between the coat because you want it to be wet, okay? So while it's still wet, you're gonna put your fibers on. And don't be chintzy with your fibers. Trust me when I say your fibers you're gonna run out of mascara before you run out of fibers. So don't be afraid. And you're just applying it to the tips. If you want a more like full look, then go ahead and do it at the base. But don't worry too if some of the fibers fall on your cheek. All you have to do is just take a brush that has nothing on it and wipe them away. So don't worry about being stingy with your fibers. They're gonna last you. So then what I do is I usually haven't applied my blush yet, and obviously I would do my other eye. So I leave the fibers on so they have a chance to kind of adhere to the transplanting gel. So that way it just gives it a little bit more time, because that transplanting gel is acting like the glue if you had fake lashes. So that's the idea behind it. So I'm just gonna give it a little wave again. I don't usually do this because I'm doing other parts of my makeup, so then that way it has a little bit of time. Don't forget to go back and seal the lashes on. One day I forgot to do that, and by the end of the day I had all of these little flakies down here at the bottom. So if you find that you have flakies, then you're not putting enough transplanting gel to seal them. Okay, so you just go back through, and I'll try to do this here. And again, don't worry, the fibers are gonna stay on those lashes. And if you want them to look taller, then apply another layer of fibers. You can go as bold and big as you want. I don't usually put fibers on the bottom of my lashes. I just like to put a little bit of the transplanting gel. So then that way you can see that I have them. Another little trick too, instead of having to keep putting it in, you've got transplanting gel all around your brush. So just roll it, okay? When you're applying, just slightly roll, and then you're gonna get the rest of the transplanting gel that's on there. la la. So now I have my beautiful lashes. If you have any questions regarding the 3D mascara, please let me know. I am happy to always answer questions for you. Bye.